Hey guys, yeah, so in today's video I'll be showing you is me replacing my front lip with another easy lip. So this is the one I'm running. A lot of people have been asking what one I have, and yeah, I'm using the Samurai one. Let's give you a quick look of why I'm changing it. Car looking pretty clean. Cleaned it yesterday. But yeah, it got cut off from a steep driveway I went down. So yeah, I'll give it a bit of look. So yeah, that's it hanging up right there. He's looking pretty Gucci, mate. Sweet, so I'll probably give you a cheeky post-start vid, and then I'll just move the cars out of the garage and chuck the Evo inside and just get the install on the way. Sweet. Sweet, so I'm going to start pulling off the old one and just show you guys. Sweet, yeah. So that was the ripped one. We'll chuck on the new one and show you guys. So yeah, that's what it looks like without the lip. Cracky.